Hello, in front of me I've got PREYON Silent Claw. In this video I'll show you how to manage media via keyboard shortcut. As you can see, the F buttons do not have icons which indicate their function. In order to manage media, press and hold Fn button and then press F6 to select next, F5 to select previous, and F7 to select play pause. Fn plus F8 stops, and F9 mutes the PC. F10 decreases volume, and F11 increases volume. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.